Today we're going to show you how to make a sphere using 30 pieces and 2 different colors. Alright, so when you're making the sphere you have to make sure you have 30 pieces. So right here I have 15 pieces of the light purple and then 15 pieces of the light pink. Now there's 2 ways of holding the pieces. When you see the piece like this and it's pointing to the right, this is called the front piece. So even if you flip it over this way, it's still the front piece. But when you flip it this way, this is considered the back when it's pointing to the left. So even if you flip it, it's pointing to the left. This is really important because when you're making the sphere, you're only going to be using front side pieces. So you always have to make sure when you're putting it together that the pieces are always pointing to the right. Now at any point of this video, you can always stop, rewind, or pause so that it's easier for you to build the shape. So you're first going to start off with 5 pieces, and we're going to use the pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the way you connect the pieces is very simple. You're going to take the round edge and you're going to connect it to the side right here. So making sure both pieces are front, pointing to the right, you're going to attach this round edge to the side. So you see the piece kind of bends a little bit like that. And then you're going to turn and you're going to add another piece. Again, you're going to put the round edge into the side, just like that. I like to hold the pieces from the middle because this is the strongest point. And then you're going to take your next piece, the round edge. You see how it's kind of looking like a star? Then you're going to put your last piece, starting from the middle, connecting it to this side, and then this side. And you can see you have 5 pieces now connected. And when you're building the sphere, it's going to be in rows. So this is my first row of 5 pieces. My next row I'm going to use a different color, which is the purple, and it's also going to be 5 pieces. So I'm going to take my first piece, and you can start anywhere that you want. And just like I said, you're going to take the round edge and you're going to put it on the side. So connecting it like this, side, and then right here. So it's connecting with 3 points. So this is what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like. And now you're just going to go all the way around doing the same thing. So you're going to continue putting the round edge into the side, connecting it with 3 points, just like that. And take my next piece, connecting it all the way around, making sure they're always the front pieces, connecting it to 3 points. And this is my last piece for this row. Okay, so now you can see I have 5 pink, now 5 purple. The next row is going to be 10 pieces, so I'm going to use a combination of both colors. And you're going to see the pieces are going to go in a little bit differently, but they're still always going to be facing the same way. So you're always going to take the round edge, and you can start anywhere. So I like to start right here, and you're going to put the piece in, and you see this piece is going to look vertical. Whereas my next piece, I'm going to take a purple right beside it, and it's going to look horizontal. And then you just connect it at the 3 points. See, it's always going to be connecting with 3 points. Then I'm going to take a pink, make sure it's the front, and this piece is going to look horizontal. So this whole row, it's going to be horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. And so I'm going to take another purple right beside the pink. I'm going to connect it, and this piece is going to be horizontal. And then my pink is going to go right beside it. This is going to be vertical. My next piece is going to go horizontal. You see I'm always putting the round edge into the side, like that, connecting it all 3 points, like that. My next piece is going to be vertical, like that. Next piece, going to be horizontal. And see how I'm alternating the colors, so it's pink, purple, pink, purple. And then the next piece is going to be pink. This is going to be vertical. And you can see right here my last piece is going to be purple, and it's going to be facing horizontal. Okay, so now you can see how my second row was pink, pink, purple, and it's 10 pieces. Your next row, you can choose whichever color you want. I'm going to use purple, and it's going to be 5 pieces for your fourth row. And you're going to connect it, always the round edge, into the side, and you can start anywhere you want it. So I could start here, and you're just going to connect it to 3 points. See, right here, and right here. Then I'm going to take another purple, can I connect it, 3 points right beside. See, there's 1 purple, 2 purple. Now I'm going to put the third one right here, just like that. So you can see it's connecting 3 points. And you're going to put your next piece, making sure all your pieces are always they're pointing to the right. This is going to be my last piece for this row. Connecting it all 3 points. Okay, now this is the last row, and I only have 5 pieces left. So you're going to make sure they're all the front pieces, and you're going to connect them the same way. So this round edge is going to connect to the side, just like that. And you're going to take your next piece, and you can see it's going to fit right there. So you're going to connect it from the bottom first, then to the side, and then to the top. And so the top row is actually going to be connecting to 4 points. So again, connect it from here, here, 3, and then 4. And you can see this is going to end up looking the top of your lava lamp. And take your next piece and connect it here, here, and then at the top, and then to the side. And you can see this is going to be where the last piece goes, right here. Now the last piece is a little tricky, but basically all you do is you put the piece on one side. You kind of have to push the lava lamp a little bit to get the other piece to go inside. And then you're going to fold the piece without bending it, and you're going to bring it underneath the lamp, connect it on this side first, and then you're just going to pull it a little bit so that it can fit on this side. There you go. There you have your 30-piece sphere with 2 different colors.